Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Ninja Blender Cup is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can own, transforming your daily routine from meal prep to post-workout recovery with effortless blending power. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, a protein shake, or even a frozen margarita, this compact yet mighty appliance is designed to handle it all, saving you time and effort while delivering consistently smooth results. Its intuitive design and powerful motor make it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify their culinary tasks and enjoy delicious, homemade beverages on the go. Number 5. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender QB3001SS. Experience the ultimate blending power with its 700-watt motor. It effortlessly crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients for delicious drinks. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. Blend even the parts usually discarded for a truly nutritious drink. This compact blender fits perfectly on any countertop. Its intuitive controls make it your go-to for quick shakes and smoothies. Blend your creations directly in the 16 ounces cup. Just attach the spout lid and take your delicious drinks wherever your day leads. Enjoy peace of mind with easy cleanup. All parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe for your convenience. This package includes the powerful 700-watt motor base, blade assembly, 2 16 ounces cups, and 2 spout lids. What we like? This blender offers incredible power for its size, easily crushing ice for frozen drinks. If you're looking for a compact blender that doesn't compromise on performance for smoothies and shakes, this is a fantastic choice for your countertop. What people say. The Ninja Blender Cup is a great addition to my kitchen. It's perfect for making smoothies and protein shakes on the go. The blades are sharp and blend ingredients quickly and efficiently. I love how easy it is to use and clean. Just pop in your ingredients, blend, and you're done. The cup is also dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus. The compact size makes it easy to store and transport. I can take it to the gym or to work without any hassle. Number 4. Ninja Replacement Blender Cups 24 ounces, 2-pack. These are 24-ounce replacement cups designed to fit your Nutri Ninja Auto IQ series blender. Enjoy your favorite smoothies and drinks with ease. Crafted from 100% brand new, high-quality food-grade plastic, they are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for your convenience and health. Each pack comes with 2 24-ounce cups and 2 sip and seal lids. These lids are perfect for taking your beverages on the go. The lids feature a rubber gasket for a complete seal, ensuring no leaks during your commute. Enjoy a smooth drinking experience anywhere. Now you can blend and share. This 2-pack allows you and a friend to enjoy your creations together, doubling the fun. What we like? Get more out of your blending with these larger 24-ounce cups, perfect for a bigger serving or sharing. If you often find yourself wanting a larger smoothie or shake, or if you like to blend for 2, these are the ideal replacement cups. What people say. The Ninja Blender Cup is a game changer for my morning smoothies. It's incredibly powerful and blends everything to a smooth consistency in seconds. I love how portable the Ninja Blender Cup is. I can blend my drink at home and take it with me on the go without any hassle. The self-cleaning feature is a lifesaver. Just add some water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, and it's sparkling clean. Number 3. Ninja 16-ounce Blender Cup Set with Lids. Upgrade your blending experience with these 16-ounce cups designed to be compatible with your Ninja Blender. They are perfect for single servings and come with convenient sip and seal lids. Crafted from eco-friendly and non-toxic materials, these cups are BPA-free and simple to clean. Enjoy healthy blends without worry. These cups easily attach to your Pro Extractor blades. They are designed to crush whole fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and ice for smooth, delicious results. Ensure a perfect fit for your Ninja Blender. These cups are compatible with a wide range of models, including BL660, BL770, BL740, BL810, and QB3000 series. This package includes 2 16-ounce blender cups and 2 sip and seal lids, providing great value for your blending needs. Please verify your blender model before ordering. These cups are designed for specific Ninja models and may not be compatible with smaller blenders or those that did not originally include single-serve cup capability. What we like? These 16-ounce cups are specifically designed to fit certain Ninja models, ensuring a perfect match for your blender. If you own a compatible Ninja Fit or other listed models and need reliable, easy-to-use replacement cups, these are a great option. What people say. The Ninja Blender cups are a great addition to my Ninja blender. They are the perfect size for single servings and come with lids, which is very convenient. I love how easy these cups are to clean. They are dishwasher safe, which saves me a lot of time and effort. The cups are made of durable plastic and seem like they will last a long time. They also fit perfectly on my Ninja blender base. Number 2. 2-pack 24-ounce replacement cups for Ninja blenders. Introducing a convenient 2-pack of 24-ounce replacement cups designed for your compatible Ninja blender. Enjoy effortless blending with these durable and clear Tritan cups. These cups are specifically designed to fit 10 cm diameter Ninja blades, ensuring a perfect match for various Auto IQ and Footy models. Please note they are not compatible with 16-ounce cups or other brands. Each package contains two 24-ounce cups and two sip and seal lids, providing everything you need for your blending needs. Crafted from BPA-free Tritan material, these cups are built for lasting durability and clarity. They are also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. To prevent spills, be mindful not to overfill the cups. Always stay below the max fill line for optimal performance. These cups are compatible with a wide range of Ninja blender models, including popular series like Auto IQ and Footy. Check the full compatibility list to ensure they are right for your device. What we like. Built with durable, clear Tritan material, these 24-ounce cups are made to last and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you have a wide range of compatible Ninja Auto IQ blenders and need sturdy, reliable cups for daily use, these are a solid pick. What people say. The Ninja Blender Cup is a game changer for my morning routine. It's so easy to use and clean, and it makes perfect smoothies every time. I love the compact size of the Ninja Blender Cup. It fits perfectly on my countertop and is great for single servings. The powerful motor on the Ninja Blender Cup makes quick work of frozen fruits and ice. I can make delicious and healthy drinks in seconds. Number 1. Nutri Ninja 24 ounces Tritan Cup 2-pack, XSK 2424. This 24-ounce cup is the ideal size for creating your favorite individual drink recipes. It's designed for convenience and perfect portions. It comes with two sip and seal lids, making it easy to take your beverages with you wherever you go. Enjoy your creations without worry. This cup easily attaches to the Pro Extractor Blades assembly. It's designed to work seamlessly with your blender for optimal performance. The Pro Extractor Blades can effortlessly crush whole fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and ice. Achieve smooth and consistent results every time. Experience the power of nutrient and vitamin extraction. Create delicious drinks packed with the vitamins and nutrients from your favorite fruits and vegetables. This cup is compatible with a wide range of Nutri Ninja blender models, ensuring a perfect fit for your existing appliance. What we like. Focus on extracting maximum nutrients from your ingredients with these 24-ounce cups, perfect for individual, healthy drinks. If you prioritize getting the most vitamins and nutrients from your fruits and vegetables in a single serving, these cups are designed for you. What people say. The blender cup is very convenient for single servings and on-the-go use. It's powerful enough to blend frozen fruits and ice smoothly. The lid seals tightly, preventing any leaks during transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.